1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Howdy folks, thanks for checking out the lesson here for St. James Infirmary in the key of E minor. As you saw and heard there, I played through the melody 4 different times. It's rather short, it's only about 8-9 measures long. And I'm gonna play, again, that melody essentially in 4 different positions on our fretboard, or we'll certainly mix and mingle some of those positions. We'll do lower register, higher register, and just kind of span all over the fretboard so you can be able to play this melody anywhere on the neck of your guitar. If you want to download the tabs, notation, and the audio tracks and access the lesson, or the full-length lesson for all 4 of these arrangements here, click the link in the description below. For now, we're going to walk through that first arrangement. All right, so put those tabs up on the screen and I'll play them for you and then we'll break them on down. So we have a pickup on the and of beat 2. So you see there's a quarter note rest and then an 8th note rest. And so the first note is on the and of beat 2. Here's what they sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So again, doing everything in that lower register, obviously, and really digging in as well. So starts on the and of 2 on the low E, on an upstroke, right? So on the low E twice, so up, down, and then 2, and then 3, then open A, and then right here in measure 2 we have grace note hammer-ons from fret 1 to fret 2 on the A string. Just real quick, right? And then open A, just a quarter note. And then a triplet here, 8th note triplet, open, 2, pull to 0. All in one stroke. So all on the A string. Triplet, triplet. Okay. Measure 3, low string 3rd fret, open E, little tie there. See that little marking there indicates a tie. So 1 and 2, and then and 3 and 2nd fret, low E 3rd, then open A, then another little grace note hammer there from 1 to 2 on the A string, and then a little 8th note run, 2, 2, open D, 2 on the A, open A, and then on the upstroke we got to slide to the 5th fret E string, and that's an A note as well. So let me play all 4 of those in context. 1, 2. Okay, a little quicker. 1, 2. Okay, then moving on, the next 4 here. Got the tie over to the downbeat of measure 5, right? So on the 5th fret, that's a quarter note and just tied over. And then a little 8th note run, so 5, 5, and then shift down, 3, 2, 3, then open A. And then here, measure 6 is exactly like measure 2. Get the grace note hammer-ons on the A string. Then open A, and the 8th note triplet. Remember, hammer, pull all in one stroke, 0, 2, 0. And then 3 on the low E, open E, syncopated there a couple times, right? There's about 3 upstrokes in a row here, so listen closely. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, so it's all on the low string there, but it's just syncopated. You really got to watch your right hand, listen to the audio tracks, but... And then measure 8 is rather easy here. 3 on the low E, open A back to 3, and then 2, quarter note, and 2, 3 hammer. And then measure 9 will be open E. So all 4 of those in context. 1, 2, 3. Measure 9 ends the first solo or arrangement here and then picks right back up into the second solo. There is no time, or there is no extra measure or vamp measure to kind of, set yourself up, so to speak. It goes right into it. So here in measure 9, I play the low E, and then I do harmonics. On the highest 3 strings there, the G, B, and E. 1, 2, and then I do my pickup. 3 and 4 and... Okay, that's the pickup. I didn't get all the strings there on that harmonic. But yeah, that's the idea. 1, 2. So if I play that first arrangement all the way down from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so that's the first arrangement right there. If you want to access the rest of the lesson, download all the tablature, the notation, the audio practice tracks, and access the slowdowner and looper. Click the link in the description for now, and I'll see you in the next arrangement here. Take care.